What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I got a Mi 9. That's right, the Xiaomi Mi 9, and this thing is an absolute beast. We're hearing all over the world of YouTube. This is the global version, 128 gigabyte, 6 gigabytes of RAM. This is the piano black, and we're gonna bust this up stud style. All right, so I got the Mi 9 here, and now this is a beautiful device. Look, I got the piano black. This comes in a lavender purple, also a blue, but I wanted to get the black because, you know, black is where it's at. But look, this has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display. It has that notch up there, which houses the front-facing camera, which is a 20 megapixel camera. Has the Gorilla Glass 6 on the front, Gorilla Glass 5 on the back. Look, this is a 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 16 megapixel camera. So we're gonna put it up against the OnePlus 7 Pro, see how it does. Now, this is an impressive looking device for the money. Now, this comes in under $100. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can pick it up from Amazon. That's where I got this device, and it's coming in under $500. Now, this is the OnePlus 7 Pro. As you can see, the screen's Quad HD, 6.7 inch. Much bigger device, much thicker device. Feels a little bit more durable than the Mi 9, but the Mi 9 is a nice build. Doesn't feel cheap, feels very premium. This feels, the OnePlus 7 Pro feels a little more premium than this also has a Quad HD display where this has the 1080p. Now, this is rocking a Snapdragon 855 processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. So you're getting some good storage. Now, this runs MIUI 10, Android Pie 9.0. It's got some great features on here. This has the MIUI launcher with all the apps on the home screen. I'll probably put Nova Launcher on it like I did on the OnePlus 7 Pro because I just do not like iPhone looking launchers. So this has the iPhone looking launcher. Now, this has a 33 milliamp battery, so the battery is a little smaller on this device, so we're going to see how it does. Kind of surprising they put such a small battery, but hey, if it gives you an all-day battery or maybe a day and a half, it's all right by my count. Now, this does not have waterproofing on it, but it does have fast charging and it has wireless charging. Now, this will give you the wireless charging that the OnePlus 7 Pro does not give you, so remember that. Remember that when you shopping for this phone. Now, is this the flagship killer? Is this the OnePlus killer? I don't know. Look, OnePlus used to be known as the flagship killer. Now it's just a killer phone. This definitely gotta be the king of budget phones, or the king of that price range around $500, taking over the Pocophone right now, because this has a Snapdragon 855. The Pocophone has a Snapdragon 845. Setting this thing up, it is fast as hell. I mean, it is fast. So I'm gonna put it up against the Pocophone. Real fast, real legitimate. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is blazing when it comes to performance on it. Now, you get a lot of the LTE bands in the United States, so you won't have to worry about not getting a connection like the Pocophone, so you're good to go. This does come in a 64 gigabyte version for a little cheaper. I'll leave links down in the description if you want to check those out. But look, this thing does not have a headphone jack. It does not have stereo speakers, but the speakers seem like they're loud. They just don't have that stereo sound from the top and bottom, so you're gonna have to check that out. This has that wireless charging. OnePlus, I'm talking to you. But damn, they should have had wireless charging. But what are you gonna do? Now, this thing is Very nice. I like it. I'm putting my SIM card in here. I use my phones. I use my OnePlus 7 Pro. I used my Essential phone. I use my Pixel 3a XL phone. I use my phone, folks. I don't get phones, put them on my dresser, and tell you to go get one. No. I get the phones. I get phones that I'm going to use. So if you don't see a phone on my channel, it's probably because, look, Stud doesn't want to use it. I use my phone. So I'm going to be rocking and rolling this with the wife when we go out tomorrow night. Father's Day weekend, I'm gonna be taking some pictures, be comparing it to the OnePlus 7 Pro. And we're gonna see exactly who is the killer phone. Will it be the OnePlus 7 Pro? Will it be the Mi i9? I'm not sure, but these are two of the most talked about phones right now. This one coming in under 500, this one coming in under 700. Man, I'm feeling bad for Samsung, sorry about that, and LG. Well, LG's priced at 650, so the price. But iPhones, forget it, man. They just too expensive, and not to mention the Pixel, although they have the best looking cameras. But there it is, the Mi i9. If you got any questions down below, please leave them down below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram on here. So it does not, like I said, does not have waterproofing, does have wireless charging, does have fast charging, so that's pretty cool. And then as we all see here, you get the fingerprint on here. You also get face unlock, but you have to change the region to India. So remember to do that, to change the region to India. In the box, like you saw, you get the Type-C, you get a AC charger, but it's UK, so you're gonna have to get adapter. But look what they give you, a dongle, OnePlus, and a SIM ejector tool, and you also get this smoky case in the box. So that's pretty cool. But that's gonna do it, man. Make sure you grab the link down below if you wanna buy this phone. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be using this, rocking and rolling. But thanks so much for watching. This is the Mi i9. I like it, not bad. Beautiful, beautiful device. Peace.